Alright, so you're going to find the Doink app, which is this little octopus. So you're going to open it up. And you're going to go up to the top and you're going to click on the plus sign and choose Create New Project. And we're going to take a look at these 3 plus signs down here. The first one is for your background, the second one is for your green screen video, and the third one you can add whatever you'd like. I'm going to start by clicking on the plus sign, and I'm just going to add an image here. And I'll just add, this is my iPhone, and so you can see that that background is really kind of wasn't working that well. So I'm going to just go ahead and do that and leave that there. Then I'm going to go to the second row and I'm going to put in my green screen video. So I'm going to click there and I'm going to put in a video, and I'm going to go and find my green screen video. And I'm just going to grab one that I already have on here. And I'm going to use that. So you can see now, because I'm on the second row, it's highlighted in red. So I'm moving this around, and now I'm going to come down here and I'm going to choose the cropping tool. And I'm just going to crop it. I'm going to pull everything in. All I want is a green screen. And I'm going to say done. And now I can pinch her to put her inside of my iPhone like so. If you see any green on her, you can come to this ChromaCast here and you can turn the wheel a bit and see that you can see it changing up here. And then you just get it to where you like it. And just say okay. And I'm just going to play it now with this play button. 3, 2, 1.
8 minus 5 equals 3.
Alright, so if you have things that are going on and like she's not staying in on the iPhone, so you can take this and you can move it, and then you'll see the things changing here. And so when you see how the background came up, so now I can crop that again. Sorry, I need to be on the green screen part, and I'm going to crop that, and you can see how it moved up. So I'm just going to take that down again, and I'm going to keep on moving down here. And then you can see how she's kind of jumping around and off of the screen. So I might come in here and move her. Actually, I need to be on the green screen video, and just kind of try and keep her on here. And I may have just made her smaller. Again, we can pinch her that way she doesn't jump off the screen. And when that's done, you'll notice that I have a lot of the background left. I'm just going to click on that to where it's red, and once I do that, I get a little part that comes up. I'm going to trim, and so now my video all is the same. So I'm going to go back to the beginning, and I'm going to click on play. 3, 2, 1.
8 minus 5 equals 3.
Alright, so anyway, you would just need to go back and you would need to work with that video, and you can see how she's jumping around here, and when she jumps off here, I would just need to crop it again. And I'm sorry, I keep not clicking on the green screen video, but I would want to click on the cropping, and I'm going to move this over. And I'm just gonna lose her because she jumped off the green screen, so that's okay though. And we'll just have to leave it at that. And then once you're done, you can click on the save button. It'll save real quickly, and then you can export it to your camera roll. That's how you use Doink.